How to post on Pinterest on phone. Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you the steps on how to post on Pinterest on phone. So then to begin with, open up or log in into your Pinterest account. Once you're logged into your account, you'll be directed to the home page, and this is how it's gonna look like. Right on this page, right at the bottom, you can see there's a plus icon. Click on it. As soon as you tap on it, three different options appear. Tap on idea pin, or you can just tap on pin or bots. So for now, I'm just gonna go with idea pin. So over here, you'll need to select either your videos, photos, or any other media that you want to upload it. After that, click on the next button located right on top, and over here you can see that the image has been selected, and click on the next button if you're sure about it. Now you can give a title to it, you can add a description to it, and you can also add a link if you have any, and you can also pick a board if you have already created. Then click on the publish button, and that is how you can post on Pinterest. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.